Hi friends, I just received from Amazon this YAMATIC hose. I'm going to try it right now to show you. So look, this is a hose, orange. The material is resistant, it's so flexible. It's a high quality material. And I'm going to install it to show you. So as easy like that, I have my hose working. It's so large, so you can use it for so many things. And I'm gonna open this. So I'm gonna use it to clean my bathroom. As you can see, the water flows quite good in a good standing. It's so long, so resistant and flexible. So I highly recommend it for you. See you.